If you want to achieve a radiant, glowing, brighter, clear and smooth skin this season, then you want to make sure you watch this video till the very end, because I am going to plug you guys to 4 effective face serum that is going to target your dark spots, even out your skin tone, give you this brighter, radiant and smooth skin. If you are new here, hi, my name is Adetutu. On this channel, I talk about skincare, hair care, self-care rituals that really works and a sprinkle of lifestyle. Girl, I want you to hit that subscribe button because you're going to have a good time on this channel. So hit the subscribe button to join the Glow Tribe community. So without further explaining, let's jump right into the video. Now, the first serum I am going to introduce to you guys is this azelaic acid serum from Niacinamide. You see, this serum is formulated with 10% azelaic acid. It has niacinamide, it has panthenol, it has centella asiatica, which is going to soothe, hydrate your skin and also brighten up your skin for you. This is also a plus for someone that have oily skin. So if you know that you have oily skin, you are acne prone skin girly, and you are looking for that serum that is going to fight your acne for you, that is going to reduce your oil production, and that is also going to even out your skin tone, give you this brighter and clear skin, look no further. Just get yourself this serum. Get yourself this Niacinamide azelaic acid serum. You see, this serum is going to help you fight your acne and also give you this even skin tone. This is 30 ml. It is on the high side. So if you know you're on a budget, like you don't want to spend too much money, this one is not for you. I think the price ranges for like 15 to 16,000 naira, depending on where you are getting it from. And look at it. This is how the bottle is. Can you guys see? This is how it is. So for my girlies that can afford this one, go for this, because this will really help your skin a lot and it will give you this brighter skin. So the next serum on my list is this one from Advanced Clinical. This is a vitamin C serum. See, if you notice that your skin is looking dull, your skin is just tired, or it is not even brighter at all, then you're looking for something that is going to brighten up your skin, that is going to even out your skin for you. Like you want to have this glowing skin, then you want to get yourself this Advanced Clinical Vitamin C serum. This is formulated with vitamin C. It has peptide, it has ferulic acid inside. Check that ingredient. And another thing I would like you guys to note, that if you are buying a vitamin C serum, always check the ingredient list. Check if it has ferulic acid or vitamin E, because these are the ingredients, that 2 ingredients are the ones that make the vitamin C more stable. In this Advanced Clinical, there's ferulic acid inside, which puts your mind at rest that this vitamin C is more stabilized. So this is going to even out your skin tone, give you this radiant skin, and it is also going to help your aging skin. So in case you are seeing signs of aging, you're already seeing fine lines, wrinkles on your skin, maybe you are in your late 40s or you are in your mid 30s and you are already seeing signs of aging, and you're looking for something that will help you tackle that and also brighten up your skin, look no further. Just get yourself this vitamin C serum. So this is how this serum is. It is 52 ml. So this is going to really last you for some months. Can you guys see? 52 ml, and you are going to be getting it for at least 14,000 naira to 15,000 naira, depending on where you are getting it from. So this is it, guys. This is it, and it is so good. So the next one on my list is this Serum vitamin B3 source. Vitamin B3 is also known as niacinamide. It is formulated with 10% niacinamide and 2% alpha-arbutin. Guys, check that 2 ingredients together. Niacinamide is going to reduce your oil production. So if you notice that you have oily skin, like you're always producing oils here and there, then you want to get yourself this niacinamide serum, because it's going to reduce your oil production, and the alpha-arbutin there is going to target those dark spots. Like it is going to reduce the production of melanin on your skin. The price ranges from 12,000 naira to 14,000 naira, depending on where you are getting it from. This is 40 ml, so it is going to last you for some months, at least 2 months. You are still going to be using this one. It is very, very good. So if you are looking forward to have that brighter skin, then this is something you should look out for, because I love this. This one is tested and trusted. I've used this and I know what I am saying when it comes to this Serum vitamin B3 source, because this is very, very effective. And now the last one on my list is this Niacinamide tranexamic acid serum. Guys, check it out. This one is also tested and trusted. I have used this serum and I know what I am saying when it comes to this serum. This serum is so good, guys. This is going to target your dark spots. So in case your skin is looking dull, your skin looks uneven, or you have dark spot here and there, and you're looking for something that will help you target, because you know tranexamic acid is one of those brightening ingredients that help you to target melanin. It helps you to target pigmentation and reduce the production of melanin on your skin. So this is so good. Like, it is formulated with 5% of tranexamic acid. It contains glutathione, it contains butylene glycol, it contains allantoin, which is going to suit your skin. It also contains ascorbic acid. Look at that combo. This is going to effectively brighten up your dull skin, target your dark spots for you, and even out your skin tone. If you are looking forward to have that brighter, radiant, and glowing skin, then you want to get yourself this, because this is top notch. This is so good, and this is how it is, guys. It is 30 ml, and the price ranges from 13,000 naira to 14,000 naira, depending on where you are getting it from. Now let me show you the size of the product. So this is how it is. Can you guys see? This is how the product is, 30 ml, and for a month to 2 months you are still going to be using this product, and I would advise you use it at night. Let me share you guys with one trick that I usually do. See, if I want to target anything like dark spot, or I want to treat my acne, I fight that battle at night. So if you want to target your dark spot, or your this thing, or you want to have a brighter skin, fight that battle at night and watch your skin glow like a fresh glazed donut. That is what I do, and I focus on hydration and protection during the daytime, and that is it. That is how you achieve that glowing skin. These are all the 4 serums that I know that will effectively target your dark spots for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and follow for more skincare tips like this. And don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep shining and keep glowing. Bye.